kati otuse ku something actually this big, celebrating 10 years in the business. It is not hey, how are you guys? You okay? Temundaba? Zembalaba. Yes, I hope you're okay. Now, Diana, I'm so happy for you to be here, that you're celebrating 10 years in the business. And I'm so happy to here to support you as you celebrate your 10 years in the business. You're my friend. In fact, you're my gango. People don't know things. We share things. not Lugambwe, but real things. Me and Diana share things, and she's a very good friend to me. Era mutawanya nnyo, and she knows it. Era simyange wagira baba inojikwata amanya it's urgent. Tachitwala for granted. Era wajimissing, and she calls back and says, Carol, are you okay? I found your missed call. So it's we have very many friends in the industry. Me, I'm friends to very many artists. In fact, every artist, mukwano gwange. But it is unique and funny how I found a very good friend in Diana, and I don't take our friendship for granted. I respect it very much because she also respects it a lot, and I see it in her. Mulabanga fayo nyo kulaba we are friends into the 20s in everywhere. And Diana is very, very real, Banange, and you guys real knows real. Because me, I'm the realest person. So being Diana's friend, it's not by mistake. I'm her friend because she's a real person. She'll tell you Tonyumye, and she'll tell you Onyumye. Like in your face, not touch quills. So it's why I like her so much, and she tries so much. Like Naga Bane Karo, Gezako Chino, Kali Watenanga Nom Tom, Nini Sirifa Konyo. Try this, try that. She's a person and every time when we meet, we talk embozezi to Zimba. It's rare for us to talk about Evita to Zimba. We're always talking about Echid Dako. It's why we managed to have a song together after being friends in a very short time. Because we came close in a short time, and then boom, we had a collaboration together. Because every time we are together, we're talking about how do we get from here to there. And thank you for being that kind of friend. So come 10th January, I am gonna be there like your sister, like a good friend to you, like you are to me. And you have my table there. Very much. I'm going to make sure I move around with you when I can so we can sew small tables together, because I know you would do that for me as well. So I wish you all the best. Come 10th January. Please come and support Spice Diana, Spice Mommy, and the media. Wanji, I confirm what? Okay, you want me to pay for the table from here? Hey. Then I don't want this to be about me. That's how I was brought up. Today is about Spice Diana, and I'll pay for her table. It's not about what is happening today. So I'll pay for my table, and you know I will. And I'll pick Masao, and I'll support you, honey. And I'll make sure to Jabanji and the media houses, please, let's push Diana's concert like nyo. So Ajfunamo in a good way. Thank you for being here.
Thank you so much, Carol.